Welcome to Bebedoo! Bebedoo! Let's learn, laugh, and play.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Sing a happy little song. Smile and chase a dream. Row, row, row again. Let the ripples glide.
Hold your paddle nice and tight.
Let's enjoy the ride. Fish, we flip and flash. Water's cool and bright. Look, the tiny fishes jump, sparkling in the light. Swish, swish, swim with us. Duck, quack, quack, follow me. Floating in a row. Mama duck says hello, kids. Babies follow slow. Hi, ducky, quack, quack. Frog, teen frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Hear my froggy song. Jumping near the grassy shore. Croaking all day long. Ribbit, ribbit, sing with us. Sunshine and rainbow. Shine, shine, sunshine bright. Glowing up above. Look, a rainbow's glowing. All the colors that we love. Slow and steady wins the day.
I'm just taking time.
Smiling turtle greets the kids. Everything feels fine. Zoom, zoom, zoom ahead. Water flowing fast. Hold on tight, adventure time. Fun that always lasts. Glow, glow, little ones. Night is calm and near. Moonlight sparkles on the waves, glistening like a tear. Row, row, row your boat. Dreams are coming near. Row, row, row your boat. Gently home we glide. Thank you, friends, for joining us. What a lovely ride. All characters together. Row, row, row your boat till we meet again.
Leave a like for this video and subscribe to watch more.